Hello guys, this is Jude, and in this video I'll be showing you how to buy bitcoins on YellowCard.io either by bank transfer or by cash. YellowCard is an exchange that was launched in 2016. It is supported by Binance and currently available in Nigeria, Botswana, and South Africa. YellowCard also gives you the opportunity to accept Bitcoin for payments in your physical store and have the Naira, Rand, or Polar equivalents sent directly to your bank account. So if you're ready for this experience, let's get started. To get started, go to YellowCard and sign up. There is a link in the description. Make sure you use that link to sign up. Once you've signed up, download the YellowCard app and log in. If you've not subscribed to this channel yet, click on the subscription button right away to subscribe. We release awesome videos like this every other week. You can actually confirm this by checking out our older videos. Now, once you have signed on to the YellowCard app, this is what you're going to see. This is the home page. If you look at the bottom menu, you can see home, wallets. The next one is where you do your deposits, and the other one is where you buy and sell Bitcoin. However, everything is on this home page, and I'll be showing you right away. At the top notification area, you can see the Bitcoin price, and beside it is your Naira balance if you're in Nigeria and your Bitcoin balance. So in the home page, you can see buy, sell, withdraw, deposits, wallets, history, stores, referrals, limits, and settings. Let's start with limits. In the limit page, there are 3 tiers, and you are qualified for each tier based on your verification level. So when you register by entering your name, verifying your email address and phone number, you are automatically upgraded to tier 1. In tier 1, you can do a maximum of 20,000 Naira worth of transaction per day to a total maximum of 200,000 Naira worth of transaction. If you want to do more than that, you need to upgrade to tier 2. To upgrade to tier 2, you need to enter your BVN or a valid ID card. Now, I entered my BVN to upgrade to tier 2. Some persons are skeptical about entering a BVN because they think that YellowCard is going to have access to the account. This is not true. Know that YellowCard or any other platform cannot have access to your account through your BVN. They can only know your name through your BVN. Now, once you have been upgraded to tier 2, you will be able to do 2 million Naira worth of transaction per day to a maximum of 10 million Naira worth of transaction per month. If you want to do more than that, you need to upgrade to tier 3. To upgrade to tier 3, you need to upload your proof of residency and a government issued ID card. Once you have been upgraded, you will be able to do 50 million Naira worth of transaction per day. That said, let's go back to the home page. Beside limits, you have settings. Settings is where you can change your password and enable 2FA, two-factor authentication, and other security settings. Above it, you have referrals. So YellowCard gives you opportunities to earn commission when you invite your friends to use YellowCard to buy and sell Bitcoins. And above it, you have history. History is where the record of all your transactions are. I will explain every other thing when I'm explaining how to buy and sell Bitcoin on YellowCard, and that is what we're going to do right away. To buy Bitcoin on YellowCard, you can do it in 2 ways. You can buy with cash, or you can buy by bank transfer. To buy by bank transfer, you come to deposit over here and deposit your Naira, Botswana Polar, or South African Rand, depending on the country you are in. Once you've made your deposit, you come to buy here and buy Bitcoins with the money you have deposited. Once you've bought Bitcoin, you can come to your wallet to see your Bitcoin. From your wallet, you can decide to send it to an external wallet if you choose to. Another way of buying Bitcoin is from an agent with cash. So you come here where they say store to locate an agent closer to you. You contact the agent and pay him cash. Once you pay him cash, the agent can do two things. One, he can credit your wallet with Bitcoin immediately or give you a YellowCard pin. If he gives you a YellowCard pin, you come to deposit to redeem the pin. Once you've redeemed the pin, you come to buy Bitcoin with the money, and it will reflect in your wallet. To sell Bitcoin is the other way around. From your wallet, if you don't have Bitcoin, you go to wallet, click receive to get your Bitcoin wallet address to receive Bitcoin into it. Once you've received Bitcoin, you come to sell the Bitcoin, then come to wallet, come to withdrawal to withdraw the Bitcoin to your bank account. So let me show you how to do this right away. So I've clicked on deposit. Let me go back to show you what I mean. So I go back to home page now and click on deposit. So when I click on deposits, I see I have two options, YellowCard pin or bank deposit. So I choose bank deposit. Now, once I create a YellowCard account, YellowCard automatically creates a previous bank account for me. So what I do is to copy this address and transfer the money I want to use to buy Bitcoin to this address or to this bank account. So let me open my app. Providence Bank. I paste the account number. You see it's showing me YellowCard Financials Judumano, and I want to transfer 10,000 naira to it. And description, I can write anything. I can write my name. Then continue. So the money has been transferred to my YellowCard account. Let me go and check that right away. So I can go back to, so I should see the money reflect over here once it has dropped. Let me go back to the home page. Well, my bank has not sent me an alert, so let me just wait for it. Yeah, so my bank has sent me an alert. So I believe the money should appear in YellowCard any moment from now. So in less than 1 minute, the money I sent has been transferred to my account. So if you look up here, you can see I now have 9,957 naira. Well, it's less than 10,000 naira because of the transaction charges taken by the bank. So that said, let us proceed. So I now have naira in my YellowCard account. I'll go to buy here to buy Bitcoin with the naira I have. So I want to buy Bitcoin with everything I have. I just click on, I can enter the amount here, or I just click on this arrow that is like a circle. Then it's showing me I'm buying Bitcoin with all the amounts I have, and this is the number of Bitcoin I'm going to get. So I click on continue. So it's showing me more information, my Bitcoin wallet, the Bitcoin rate, that is 451 naira per dollar, and I click on purchase, confirm purchase rather. Done. So you can see now I no longer have naira. If you look up here, I have 0.05 naira, and the Bitcoin is now in my Bitcoin wallet. So if I click on wallet here, you can see my wallet balance is this, and is equivalent to 9,958 naira. So I can send this Bitcoin by clicking here to an external wallet. This is how you buy Bitcoin on YellowCard. The next thing I will do is to show you how to sell Bitcoin on YellowCard. Now I'm just teaching you how to buy and sell and use the YellowCard platform. I'm not showing you how to trade Bitcoin profitably. If you want to learn how to trade Bitcoin profitably, there's a link to the City Mastery course in the description. Click on it to learn how to trade Bitcoin profitably. So I'm just doing buying and selling here. So say you have Bitcoin, you want to sell it. Like I've shown you, I have Bitcoin in my Bitcoin wallet now. I want to sell it. I go back, I click on sell here. In sell here, I can sell to a merchant or I can sell on the platform. I want to sell on the platform. So I click on sell on platform. The same thing, I want to sell all of it. So I come to this circle here where we have the Bitcoin and I click. So it enters all the Bitcoin I have and it's showing me that this is the amount I get, because when you take away the transaction charge or the rate, you see the amount has reduced to 9,699. That is the amount I'm going to get in my wallet. So this is a summary. In this case, one for the rate for selling is 439 naira per USD. This is where they actually make their gain. So I'm good with this. I click on continue. So it is sold. And again, if you look at the top menu or the top notification over here, you can see I have 0 Bitcoin, and in Naira I have 9,699 Naira. So to withdraw it, I click on withdraw this time. Then enter the amount I want to withdraw. If you want to enter everything, I also click on this arrow that is like a circle to say I'm withdrawing everything. I click on continue and enter my bank account. So let me enter my bank account number, choose the bank, Zenith Bank. Then I click on continue. So we are all good. The fee for withdrawing is 100 Naira. And so what I'll receive is 9,599 Naira. I click on continue. So done. So the money, it is being processed now. So within 3 minutes, when I did it before, within 3 minutes, I got the money in my bank account. So this is how to use the YellowCard platform. If you want to learn how to become an agent or a merchant, I suggest you read the article on my YellowCard article. The link is in the subscription. The link is in the description. In the article, you'll learn how to become. So I've received the alerts, which is less than 1 minute. So the link is in the description. There you learn how to use YellowCard to accept payments in Bitcoin for in your store and have the money sent directly to your bank account. You also learn how to become an agent. So this is how to use YellowCard platform. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, make sure you give us a thumbs up, and see you in my next video.